This is the third video I'm doing today. I'm mentioning that because first I talked about breathing and then about magnesium. And now I'm going to talk about sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Well, actually not just sodium bicarbonate, but also potassium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. The body produces bicarbonate, so it's a nutritional item. Stomach creates bicarbonate to balance and neutralize stomach acid. Also, bicarbonate stimulates stomach acid. So it's a false thing that taking bicarbonate reduces stomach acid. It actually increases it. The pancreas produces bicarbonate. So when the food that's been acidified and digested comes out of the stomach, the pancreas produces a lot of bicarbonate to neutralize the acid in the food. And the third organ that produces bicarbonate, very importantly, is the kidneys. The kidneys produces bicarbonate to control the pH of the blood, which needs to be very tightly controlled. Gets too acidic or too alkaline, and you're in trouble, even to the point of death.
You've just watched the first minutes of this video. To continue, the full version is available on Substack. The link is in the description.